All right, so we're gonna walk through what you need to do to set up your Thinkorswim platform, and I'm talking about this platform right here. This is how I have it set up. Basically, all my stocks are on the left side. All my watch list is on the left side, and then I have a chart, and I have different indicators that's in my platform. These are all customized. I also have scanners, and I'm going to show you how to upload all of that to your Thinkorswim platform. So let's go ahead and go to the chat room. All right, so this is our community. When we go here, we want to make sure that you're on your computer when you go to this. All right, so everything is going to be done on your laptop or your PC. Now, when you go to the front page, you'll notice the notice tab on the timeline. It's always going to be in the middle. So when you go to that, you have a welcome letter, you have chat room rules, and then the third one is going to be where you click and it's going to bring up all these codes and different scanners. Okay. The first step is to upload the platform setup. So it's going to be the first link. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste the platform setup just like that. Copy. We're going to go back to our platform. We're going to go all the way to the top right, and you're going to see setup right here. So we're going to click on setup. It's going to pull out a drop down box. Now this drop, yeah, setup. Setup is at the top right of Thinkorswim.
Taking a path that side. Okay.
All right. And just keep in mind, I am recording my screen right now, so I'm gonna be able to send this to you. All right. So we're gonna click Open Shared Item. It's gonna be the second tab on the drop down box. So we're gonna click on Open Shared Item. It's gonna pull up another box, and it's basically gonna say Share the item's URL. All you have to do here is copy. Now you cannot right click on this software. So it tells you to use Control plus V. So I'm gonna click Control and V at the same time. It's gonna copy in my code that I got from the community. So you just copy up here, top right, setup, open shared item, Control plus V, and then we're gonna click Preview. So when we click Preview, we're going to open it up. Now, I already have basically my platform. So it's my platform. I just share it with the community if they want it. You don't have to have it, but I have everything customized on how I teach it. I teach off this screen. I do everything from this platform. All right, so once you upload it, you just rename it, and you can rename it anything that you want. You can name it after me. You can say Ronnie's platform. You can name it anything. So for test, we're going to name test one. We're going to click OK. Now, nothing's going to happen until you upload it. We just saved it to our platform. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go back to setup at the top right. We're going to click on setup. And at the bottom of this drop-down box this time, you'll see test one. And so we're going to click on that. Whatever you named it, we're going to click on that, and it's going to ask you, basically, current workplace layout will be reloaded. Are you sure you want to load configuration? So you can click OK. Don't worry about, don't prompt again. Just click OK. And what's going to happen is it's going to come off and it's going to come back up. This is basically reloading the platform. This is going to give you the platform. Now, once you have this, you're going to want to save it again. Anytime you make any changes, you always want to save it before you close out the Thinkorswim application. So you can click Save As, drop down box, test one, and you can save it. And that's how you upload the platform. Now, once you have all that up, the next thing we're going to do is upload the stock scanners. These stock scanners are going to be located exactly where we got the trading platform set up from. Now, there's so many different scanners. All right, I'm going to only upload one. And the reason why is because it's the same process as uploading the trading platform setup. It's just going to be a little different. So we're going to start by uploading the RMB stock scanner. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and hover over it, highlight it. We're going to click copy. We're going to go right back to our Thinkorswim platform. We're going to go right back to setup at the top right. We're going to click that. We're going to go right back to open shared item, which is the second box. Click that. It's going to bring up the box again. We're going to click Control V, same process. We're also going to click preview again. It's going to upload, it's going to show you scan query. All you do is open it up, and it's going to pull up the scan box. All you have to do is rename this to whatever name you got right here. This is going to help you stay organized with your scanners. So you go back to here, you click Control V and click OK, and it's going to save it. You now have this on your platform. How can you access the scan? Well, you have a toolbox, menu box up here. You can go to scan, and you can pull up any scanner that you have. You pull it up by going over here to the menu tab, and you can click load scan. You go to personal, and there you go. You have all the scanners. Now, on mine, we have the scanners. I already have all the scanners, but you'll have to do this for every scanner that you want. And I recommend you have all of these scanners. You want that.
Okay.
You even have the overall market watch list, because that's one of your indicators. You want to study the overall markets. You have that right here. I have it already set up for you. All you have to do is copy and paste, and you're great. You even have strong sectors. You have different tools. All right. You have my trade history. So you can examine all of my trades, all of my investments. You can examine every single one of them. So you have everything right here. All you have to do is copy and paste the scanners. Everything else is links to other websites, so you can study. So for scanners, you have to do that for every scanner, and then make sure you name the scanner whatever name is on here, so you can keep it organized. And that's basically how you upload all the scanners. And that's basically what you're going to walk through. I walk through everything. Just follow everything on this video, and everything should work out fine. If it doesn't, just be sure to let me know. All right.